Hi, my name is Lily Mankey, and I'm the APH coordinator here at NDVS SB, and I want to tell you about a new product we have available. This is the Reach and Match Learning Kit, which empowers children with all abilities. It is a fun and innovative tool to help all children develop literacy and essential childhood skills. There are 4 large puzzle piece mats, and each a different color: red, blue, green, and yellow. The mats are double-sided. The match side helps children practice manual dexterity, figure ground discrimination, and tactile awareness training. The reach side helps with learning Braille and print, motor development, directions, and spatial awareness training. It has a distinct texture, bright colors, matching holes, print embossed Braille, Braille direction mark, distinct patterns, and 4 unique sounds. Each shape has its own sound. The red circle, blue triangle, and the yellow and green have their own distinct sound as well. It helps teach learning shapes, counting skills, sorting and matching skills, tactile tracking skills, orientation, and spatial concepts. The Reach and Match is compact and portable. There are 30+ exercises and games in the manual that it comes with. It is expandable with more mats to accommodate larger groups of children. The Reach and Match is an innovative way to learn, interact, and share joy. The Reach and Match is available with quota funds, or if you want to just try it out, you can borrow one that we have available here. You can contact me at 701-795-2732 or email me at lmankie@nd.gov. Thanks for watching this video, and let me know if there's anything else I can do to help with your APH needs.